Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with the first chapter of class 4 part of computer. First chapter of class 3 part of computer. In this chapter I have already discussed all the objective like fill in the blanks, true false and MCQ questions. Today full form of the some terms like IPO, input processing output. IPO full form is input processing output, and CU for control unit, CPU for central processing unit, and ALU for arithmetical and logical unit, VDU visual display unit, MU for memory unit, IQ intelligence quotient, and LCD liquid crystal display. These are the full form, and which is very important. These are the very important full form. And now question, what is computer? So answer is computer is a machine that works with data and instruction given by the user. It works on IPO cycle. So second question is, how do you enter the data and instruction into computer? So data and instruction, the data and instruction which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer, this is called input. Third question, what do you call the information that you enter into the computer? Answer is entering the data and instruction in a computer. The CPU works on the input to give us meaningful information. This is called processing. And fourth question, name the device that is known as the brain of computer. Name the device that is known as brain of computer. CPU, central processing unit, is the brain of computer that process all the instruction given to the computer. Fifth question, list any two features of computer. So features of computer is, first, speed. A computer works very fast and can do a large number of calculations quickly. Second feature is reliability. Computers are quite reliable. They do not make any mistakes. So these are the two features. And mention two disadvantages of the computer. कंप्यूटर का दो disadvantage क्या है? Disadvantages of computer. A computer is useful learning tool, but it has some disadvantages too. Some of them are the following. Intelligence quotient, 0 IQ. A computer does not have an IQ or its own intelligence. By mistake, if you enter the incorrect input, it will give you the wrong result. Second disadvantage is health. Working on a computer for long hours can affect your eyesight, and it can become the cause of obesity in people. So these are the true disadvantages. And now, how many types of key are there on the keyboard? Name them. Commonly used keyboard has 104 key, and which can be divided into many groups based upon their function. First is the typing या alphanumeric key, and navigation key, control key, numeric pad key, and function key. These are the five numeric key. So typing key, these are include the letters, number, a special symbol, shift, caps lock, space bar, backspace, and tab key. Second, control key. These key are either used alone in the combination with the other key from perform the certain action. Control, Alt, Window, Logo key, and Escape key are the various example of control key. And function key is F1 to F12, and navigation key, these include the arrow key, home and page up and page down, delete and insert key, and numeric pad key. These consist of 0 to 9, arithmetical operator, decimal point, and so on. So these are the various keywords which is used. Next day I will discuss the chapter 2, hardware and software device of class 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.